A test fitting of the new pegs, we move them down 25 millimeters and back 75 millimeters. Checking for clearance around the brake lever. Brake lever will have to get shortened as well. It's a lot easier to start with a longer section so that you can get the alignment perfect and then cut it back afterwards. Now we're mounting the foot pegs, so fairly critical that the alignment is correct, so they're sitting at 45 degrees. We've moved them back 75 mil and down 25, and then there is an additional 15 mil of adjustment in the spaces. I'll just tack them up and make sure that they're all in alignment. Grafting onto the existing frame. Very slightly. Checking the position for comfort. So here's the test fitting, so that's tacked in the standard position, and then they can be lowered 15 mil. So standard position, so the alignment is good. The outsides are just marginally up, so we'll weld them there and then remove the material that's not needed. I always make the brackets long and bigger, so then there's easier to get it lined up, and then you can remove the excess steel. Now we are prepping for paint, coating with a rust converter over the frame.